Hello guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Well, today we had a little bit of an incident. I started to do a load of laundry and I was in the bedroom having some lunch, and well, breakfast actually, and I came out to put, I had it on a paper plate and I came out to put that in the garbage. The kitchen floor was flooded, completely flooded. Mike is still out there cleaning. The landlord is sending one of his workers out with a shop vac to clean the rest up. I'll show you guys what's still on the floor right now. It's quite the mess.
It's taken Dave some.
Mike got a lot of it up with the mop, but there's still quite a bit because there's probably a lot under the washer itself. And we got the stove turned off.
Check the stove first.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Here's the culprit here. This is attached to the wall, but it's not attached to the back of the washer. It must have popped loose. So that's what we're dealing with here. What a mess. What a mess. What a mess. Not what I wanted to be doing 2 weeks before Christmas, really and truly, but I'm just hoping there's an apartment underneath us. I'm hoping they're not home right now. I'm hoping that there's no damage down there because we're going to be responsible for it because it was our washer that came loose. But I guess that's why we have renter's insurance, right? So anyway, time will tell. They'll be home in a little while, so I'm just waiting on the worker to come out with the shop vac to get the rest of the water up. Mike did a pretty good job of getting up though, because I'll show you guys, I'll insert a picture here somewhere and you'll see, maybe you can tell in the picture how much, like, it was like this, right? It was puddles. Oh, what a mess, what a mess, what a mess. So I will update you guys later because I'm going to be too busy to be picking up the camera and vlogging. So hopefully we'll get this all straightened out today and get my washer working so I can clean clothes again. So, not what I wanted to do today at all. But when it rains, it pours, I guess, right? Okay guys, well, crisis averted. It's literally 4:30 in the afternoon and I finally just got everything straightened out. We got the water all cleaned up in the kitchen, and it was a lot. There was probably about 2 inches of water. And the funny story is, me and Mike were cleaning up the water. Mike cleaned up more than I did, though. But I had to keep the pets. Well, the cats won't go out in it anyway, because I'll tell you what happened. I was going out to the kitchen, and Pumpkin was at the threshold between the kitchen and the living room. And I was, why is he there? That's a strange spot for him to be. So I look and he's, then I see all the puddles on the floor. So the cats wouldn't go near the kitchen. So we had to move the litter box and everything into the living room temporarily. So one of the guys that works for the management group that property manages, he came and he hooked everything back up and we got everything all mopped up and everything. But the whole time we're there mopping it up, Odie's running back and forth across the floor playing with in the freaking puddles. Like, woo, this is fun. Slack, 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 slack. He thought it was a new playground, a splash pad for him. But thank God it's all up. Now I have no idea what I'm doing for supper because I was dealing with that mess all day. So a friend of ours is going to drive us to one of the local grocery stores, a smaller one, and we're just going to see if we can find something quick to have for supper. So that's what we're doing. So it's just going to be a quick and easy day. I feel like salad. I might just get a salad because that's what I'm feeling like right now. So I don't know. I'll let you guys know what I do, or maybe I'll take you to the grocery store with me. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm all discombobulated today because it's been one of those days. We got the washer working, and now I got a heap of laundry that I have to fold. So, and did you guys see who's under the laundry pile? And he loves it because it's fresh out of the dryer. Oh. Hi. Hi, are you comfy? Are you comfy? Okay guys, I've got the laundry folded and put it away. Mike's gone out for a walk with Odie. Well, I did that. The only thing I didn't put away was his socks and a t-shirt there. He can get that when he gets home. But everything else is put away and folded. Fold it and put away, I should say. And I'm just going to relax for the rest of the evening. There's a Habs game on at 8 o'clock. Go Habs, go. I'll watch that. I ended up with a Caesar salad for supper because I didn't feel like eating much. I see a weird combination, but I had Caesar salad and chocolate milk. Mike had a sub, so that's what we had for supper. So it was a pretty eventful day. We took the whole day cleaning that up today, so tomorrow I think we're just going to relax. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 12, and I will talk to you guys all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 13. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye everyone.